Hello everyone, welcome back to Bio to CS. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating Java program that removes duplicate characters from a string and prints the result. Let's break down how this code works. Our program is encapsulated in a class named strdupliRem, which contains a method called RemoveStrDup. This method uses recursion to process each character of a given string. The main idea is to build a new string with unique characters only, eliminating any duplicates in the process. Here's how it operates. The method takes 4 parameters. First, it uses a boolean array called arr to keep track of which characters have already been encountered. Each index of this array corresponds to a letter of the alphabet, with true indicating that the letter has been seen before. The second parameter is the string to be processed, and the third is a StringBuilder called str1 that constructs the final result string. The fourth parameter is an integer indx, which keeps track of the current position in the string. The recursion works as follows: if the index reaches the end of the string, it prints the result from str1. If the character at the current index has already been seen, checked via the arr array, the method skips that character and moves to the next index. If it's a new character, it adds it to str1, marks it as seen in arr, and proceeds with the next index. After processing the next index, the method backtracks by removing the last added character from str1, ensuring that the recursion explores all possibilities without accumulating characters incorrectly. In the main method, we initialize our input string, set up the StringBuilder, and create the boolean array. We then call RemoveStrDup to start the process. This method efficiently removes duplicates and builds the result string using recursion and backtracking. I hope this explanation helps you understand how this recursive approach works to filter out duplicate characters from a string. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Bio to CS for more programming insights and tutorials. Thanks for watching.